Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to delete this donate buttons from stand. So if you want to delete these donate buttons, which is actually a game pass, so how can we delete from roblox or this from this stand? So guys, just follow me in this video till the end and you will be able to know that. So let's move to the browser and open the roblox website on it. Now open the roblox website on browser. Once you open, click on continue in browser. Now just click on or tap on this create option. Now tap on the desktop side mode. Once it is open, in experience guys, you have to tap on it, this experience by default experience, and since the new update everything has changed in roblox, so just tap on this menu options and now click on associate items. In associate items you will find the game passes. So if you want to basically if you want to delete that donation button from that and particular that, so I'm gonna delete that orange game pass from that, or game pass, or that orange game donate button from the stand. So I have to tap on it, and from here you have to tap on again menu and go to the sale option. When you go to this sale option, just disable the item for sale. Just disable this option and you can go back. Sorry, I forget to save it. Just go back again, go to the menu and the sales again, turn off this, and now just save this option. Just tap on save changes and go back. So the delete or the donation button will be deleted from, you can see that it is now off sale. So this donation button from the please donate has been removed. So if you want to delete, you can do one thing, just tap on it, and it won't allow you to delete the game pass from here, but you can delete the donation button from the please donate. Now go back to any empty stand and just claim it, and you will see that there will be no orange robux. So these are the others donation buttons. So yeah, that's how you can delete the donation buttons from the please donate. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.